Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Classes. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to use the scale command. So let's start with this tutorial. Scale command is basically used to reduce or enlarge the scale of any of the object. If you have already drawn any object and you want to increase its size, or even if you want to reduce its size, then you can use this scale command. Scale command becomes very useful while drawing this side plan or location plan. When you have already drawn the floor plan and you want to draw the side plan, you can take the floor plan and you can reduce its scale by using this scale command and draw this side or location plan. So let's see how to use this scale command. Now here I'll take an example. We'll draw an object by using line command. We'll draw a random object here. Now suppose I want to enlarge the scale of this object or enlarge this object to the double of its actual size. So for that we'll take the scale command. Shortcut key for scale is SC. Enter. Now select this object. Say enter. Now select the base point. I'll take this as a base point. Now I'll give this factor. Here you'll get this instruction, specify scale factor. Here I'll give 2 and say enter. You'll see this object has become enlarged. Now again if I want to reduce its size to 50%, then I'll take the scale command. We'll select this object, say enter. Now click on this point as a base point. Now to make it 50%, I'll give scale factor as 0.5 and say enter. You'll see this object has reduced to its 50% scale. Now in scale there is another option there. We'll see that. We'll take scale command. We'll select this object, say enter. Take this point as base point. Now here you'll see this copy and reference. Now the method of scaling we used just now is by reference method. For that we didn't choose the option because by default the method of scaling is set as reference. Now let's see what is this copy method. If you click on this copy and give the factor, here I'll give 2 and say enter. Now here you'll see this original copy of this object is kept as it was at the original scale and a duplicate copy is created at a given scale factor. Now we'll take another example. We'll take a line here of 500. So enter. Now the dimension of this line is 500. Suppose I want to increase the length of this line to 1000, then I'll have to give scale factor. I'll give scale command. We'll select this line, say enter. Now suppose I give the base point here at the midpoint, then the line will increase from both the ends. 250 will be increased from this side and 250 will be increased from this side. So total it will be 1000. So we'll see how it works. We'll click on this midpoint. Here scale factor will give 2, enter. So this line has increased from both the sides. Suppose I want to increase it from only one side, then I'll take the scale command, select this line, enter. Now I'll click this as a base point. We'll give scale factor as 2 and say enter. You'll see this line has increased from only one side and it has become 2000 mm. That is double of the original one. Now here the scale factor was either double or 50%. Now suppose if you have a line here of 300, enter. We'll take the dimension. It is 300. Now suppose if you want to increase the scale of this line to 475, then there you can't give a round figure factor like 1 or 2 or 0.5. You'll have to give factor as, first you take the command, scale, select the object, say enter. Now here base point I'll select the midpoint. Now here scale factor I'll give 475 divided by the length of the original line, that is 300, and say enter. Now here you will see this line, the length of this line is increased to 475. So hope you all have understood how to use this scale command. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.